Fáte gu speaking our language, gu sret y tri, agus gu uned fichid sa sheich diag. I'm Rhoda MacDonald and I hope you continue to enjoy learning Gaelic with our presenters Ian and Shauna. The format will be as before, except this time there will be a longer conversation towards the end of every unit. There will be a recap at the end of each tape. And remember that these cassettes aren't dependent on written material. They can be used on their own. If you would like written and visual material, videos and full-colour study packs based on the television series are also available. Good ma a H leave.
Hallo Riest. Kimmer a hashev. Is me sé Ian.
Agus is me sé Shonach. Fáilte go unit fichid sa sheich diag.
In this unit, we'll be talking about arranging to go out. To ask someone if they're going out, you say, Avilu atolamach. Are you going out? Avilu atolamach. Avilu atolamach.
In the following dialogues, listen for atolamach go biag, going out for a meal.
Avilu atolamach yeng.
Ha, ha mi hin agus anna atolamach go biag.
Catch a vil she betald.
Has je toch go tuig bi etaltjach, is een draadjaard.
Oh, sta leum se biag etaltjach kutjach.
Je hou het Janne van nog gehuzie.
Ha mi het go party. Je hou henge Janne.
Had du lekker me golf go disco.
Atol go type B etaltjach. Going to an Italian restaurant. Atol go type B etaltjach. Atol go type B etaltjach. And biag etaltjach is Italian food.
To ask what a person is doing tonight, you say, Je hou het Janav anoch. What are you doing tonight? To ask someone where you will go, you say, Katin jetsin. Where will we go? Katin jetsin. Katin jetsin.
Catch and jetching maha.
Shaul, crocodile Dundee, bishin ma.
B, ach jema yen joch and doshach, agus noorsing hetching am te yalav.
Jemuyen. What about? Jemuyen. Jemuyen.
Joch and toshach. A drink first. Joch and doshach. Joch and doshach.
Agus an oorsin, hetchin ganta yalav. And then we'll go to the cinema.
To suggest going somewhere, you can say, Nach jetching. Why don't we go? Nach jetching kutansa. Why don't we go to a dance? Nach jetching kutansa. Nach jetching kutansa.
Catch and jetsin.
Nach chitching go dowse.
Och, ha jech. But te leum se golf go disco.
Karst maha, hetching go disco.
In the following scenes, listen for an jetchin. Will we go? An jetchin. An jetchin.
And also for and J liver afterwards. And J liver. And J liver.
En chitching a macha noch.
Heech, jema yen je golf spelig. En je liva, voelt is je golf go biag.
Mach weg is spelig. Gatchich.
Gaan oor in hospelig.
Jet de weg, Galis. En jet in je mag.
Moest gaat jeech. Hij vader oer. Agus koeju. Gaan je maar een erke jack in je wakal.
En chitching got je afgloeich.
Bushin ma. J heet.
Ha the cherry orchard around St. Citizens.
Leva ma ha.
Hage. Yes, we will go. Hage. Hage. A spelug. Skating. A spelug. A spelug.
And afterwards he suggested they go for a meal. En Jay Live voete sin a gal go biag.
Mochrach. Oh dear. Mochrach. Mochrach.
Chachej. No, I won't. Or in this case, we won't. Chachej. Chachej.
Alice uses another exclamation. Must. Murder. Must. Must.
Alice didn't want to go out because it was far too cold. Fatte ra uer. And she used the word koyu anyway, in any case. Koyu. Koyu. Agus koyu chanil mór an eregid aking iragel. And anyway, we don't have much money left.
And chaching gujalav chluich. To a play. Gujalav chluich. Gujalav chluich.
And the man replied, Vigshin ma. That would be good. Vigshin ma. Vigshin ma. To tell someone to wear something, you say, Kurosht. Put on. Kurosht. Kurosht.
Sjoet. Kudost den genzi akadien. Hij voer moei.
Ach, ha me het al gelijk bal kasja. De me blake leer.
Kurosht and gensiaket. Put on your jumper. Kurosht and gensiaket. Kurosht and gensiaket. You might also say, Hala is kurosht. Go and put on. Hala is kurosht. Hala is kurosht.
A Hamish. Halas could arst the vroken down.
Kerst geleer.
Hashin a shar.
Dovraken down. Your brown shoes. Dovraken down. Dovraken down. In our roundup conversation, listen for some of the phrases you have learnt and look out for a heary. Goodness gracious. And kun je hae a táisich? When does it start?
Jay has je bij aan de locht ma ha.
Hamish it go Kaylee and Tala Valley.
A du rakam zo golf got disco. A villa with chin.
Och, Haniel. Ha me het al mag go bieg.
A velo heen het allemaal gehine.
Gaan jelle nog.
A Harry, nach dit ook een Kaylee naar Rutiken.
Kun je haie táisich?
Och, goed en a mismanjig.
Ach, kerst geljaar. Hitch me aan.
Geleva.